Spring has sprung, everyone, and we cannot deny that. So it is high time that I made an origami model related to spring. So I set out and made one. This is the Origami Butterfly, and it has really cool three-dimensional wings, and it has some antenna too. This model is, I'd say, about medium of level of complexity, and I'll show you how to fold it right now. Alright, so I'm going to start with a 5.5 sheet of origami paper. So first step, turn over right side up and valley fold in half in all directions. So first this edge to this edge. Okay, unfold this edge to this edge. And unfold. And this point to this point. And unfold, rotate, and repeat. Okay, now we have this. So, I'm going to turn over and take this point and fold it to the center point. And take this point and fold it to the center point. Now, what I'm going to do is, okay. Sorry, I'm just getting confused. So, now we gotta take this edge and fold it to this crease, but let this flap swing out. And take this edge and fold it to the crease and let it swing out again. And now we have this. So now, let's turn over and let's take this point and fold it to this point. Oh, actually, no, sorry. Fold along these creases that we've already made. Unfold. And now, you see this point? You want to make that come outwards by making these two mountain folds and these valley folds. So, push them out, make the valley fold all the way along here, as well as all along here. And now, let's squash this down. And we'll be making new folds on the sides. We'll be making this one and this one. And let's just crease those ones nice and sharp, just because. Alright, now, rotate. Actually, no, let's keep it this way. And take this point and fold it to this point. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, now we want to make both of those creases together. At this point, we want to make a fold that goes from this point to this point. Or this edge to this edge, might be easier. And make sure the layers don't slide, because I have lots of trouble with this part. And flatten. Okay, now I have this. Now, repeat that all on this side. Alright, now we have this. Now we have to open this and unfold our hard work. So sad. But, anyway, open this pocket and squash along the folds that we just made. Now I want to petal fold up on this crease, so pull it up and flatten these two. Alright, and fold it down. Oh yeah, and let's just take this flap and move it over here. And let's flip this flap over, flip the flap, and open this, and do the same thing. Now turn over, and let's make a fold in between these creases. So bring this crease down to this edge, like that, and then make this flat, and then fold this back, and then squash down. And now let's unfold and do the same over here. Alright, now we have this. So, let's take the front flap and fold it along this edge. And same with this side. Oops, grab two flaps there. Alright, now let's unfold, open this up, and do a petal fold again with the creases we just made. Where are you? Here you are. Okay, now let's do the same with these. Oh wait, actually I'm just gonna even this part out because it's a little messy. There we go. Fold along the crease again. Same with this side. And petal fold them in. So there's one. And there is two. Alright, and we're left with that. Okay, now we're on to the fun bit, which is making the wings. So our first step is to make a fold between these 2 points. Actually, just fold it as far as it will go. It will be up to this line. Okay, now we can start making the wings. So let's take this flap and let's open up the pocket and let's squash it to where you think a good butterfly wing would be. These are the bottom 2 wings in the butterfly. And then do the same with this one. Okay, try to make it symmetrical. Now we have these ones, but we're gonna do something a little different with these. So, let's open it up, and let's pull it back. Let's do like a crimp, I think it's called. So let's do that, and then we're making a new fold here, like that. Now do the same here. So now, it looks like this. Okay, so we should lock these edges together because it's not very secure. So let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same over here. Make sure you're only grabbing one edge. Okay, now unfold those 2. And here we see we have a pocket. So stick it in the backmost pocket and just tuck it in. Tuck the flap that we made in. And then same on this side. Okay, and the reason why we need to make it the bottom is because we're going to fold these flaps into the second one as well. So, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Repeat the same process over here. And just, as far as it will go. Now we can fold them in. So open it, put it in the frontmost pocket. Actually, let's unfold both of them to make life a little easier for us. So put this one in the firstmost pocket, and also put this one in the firstmost pocket. Okay, now we actually don't want this flap, so let's fold it behind And you can keep it like this, but if you want it to be a little more hidden away, you can open it up, open this up, and valley fold it inwards. And seal it up. And now it's nice and tucked away inside, so it's nice and flush on the outside. Alright, so now to finish up the butterfly. I realized that these came undone, so I'll redo those. But now we have to make a kind of hard fold. So take this and fold it along this edge. It won't flatten all the way. And unfold, and we have to sink it. So let's open this and make this a mountain. Just make a valley somewhere here. And then make one from here to here. And then just make a rabbit ear. Just flat collapsed it. And then so we have that. And now do the same over here. Alright, now I have this. So we're almost done. Let's valley fold this up. And mountain fold down. And now let's do a squash here, so we can valley fold this in. We're doing this to make the tail thinner. And then do the same on this side. Okay. So now let's shape the antenna. Let's pinch it in half and curl it in or out. Might curl it out this time. And same with this one. Pinch and curl. These are the two key steps for shaping origami. Alright, now what we can do to the wings to give them a little more pizzazz is you can take this fold. It's hard to see, but it's right here. You can valley fold it and make a little pleat. That gives our wing a little bit of three-dimensionalness. So let's pop it out this way. And now to lock it, we can turn over and just stick the flap in the pocket. Oh yeah, and we can round this out by just taking the tip and pushing it in. And we can round it out some more. And we've got that. And we can do the same on this side. Alright. So, yeah, let's push this out so it's going outwards. And yeah, we're finished. I hope you enjoyed folding that as much as I did, and stay creative and have fun folding.